Welcome to our home decoration ideas video series. In this video, we'll be sharing some amazing tips and tricks to help you refresh your home decor. Whether you are looking to create a cozy and inviting space or update your decor with some modern touches, we have got you covered. First up, let's tell about one of the easiest way to update your decor, adding some new throw pillows. You can mix and match different patterns and colors to create a cohesive look that perfectly complements your style. Not only do they add some visual interest to your space, but they are also incredibly comfortable to snug with on your sofa or bed. Next, let's talk about greenery. Adding some plants to your space is not only a great way to bring some life and freshness to your decor, but they also improve air quality. Whether your option for a statement plants like a fiddle leaf fig or a few smallest plants like succulent and air plants, incorporating some greenery into your home is a surefire way to elevate your decor. If you are looking to create a gallery wall, here are some tips to make it a success. First, choose focal point and build your wall around it. This can be a large piece of art or a photograph that you love. Then mix and match different size and style of frame to create a visually interesting display. Finally, does not be afraid to incorporate some personal touches like family photo or sentimental artwork. These will make your gallery wall feel uniquely yours. If you're looking to create a cozy and inviting vibe in your home, consider adding some candle or fairy light. These will create a warm and relaxing atmosphere that you will love coming home to. You can choose from a variety of scent and style to create the perfect ambience for your space. Now let's talk about adding some lectures to your space. One great way to do this is by incorporating a rug. You can choose from a variety of materials and causing to add some warmth to your floors. Not only do rugs add some visual interest to your space, but they also provide a comfortable spot to sit or lie down on. If you have a smaller space, here are some tips to make this most of it. Thanks for watching our home. You found some inspiring for your own home decor project.